Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Code Sofa, and I hope you guys are doing really well. And also, I think the previous videos would have helped you to clear the concept of the C programming. So please do subscribe the channel to get some more informative videos like this. And in this today's video, we are going to have a look about switch statement. So let's get started with it. So switch statement, as you guys if you guys don't know, it is a bit similar as if else statement, but if you just want to work on a single variable, for example, if you want to just compare one variable and work on that, then switch statement is really good and easy to work on rather than going on if else, because if else for complicated comparisons, but obviously you have to use the if else, you can't use the switch statement for that one. So let's quickly have a look about how this thing works. I mean the structure of the switch statement. And there we go, we are done with testing. So first of all, we are going to declare or initialize a variable that we are going to use. For example, here it is level 0, and there will be our switch keyword with the variable name inside it, and there will be the curly braces down here. In here there will be conditions that we'll need to compare. So it will be written in the form of case. That will be here, it will be case 0, which will indicate this level here, and there will be colon here. Just make sure it is a colon, it is not a semicolon. And then here will be our code that will be written, and the break statement, break keyword, not a statement. The reason we are using the break statement is that if we don't want to execute the other conditions or other cases, then it will just simply break from here and get out of the switch. So for example, let's have a look. Here is case 1. There is one more code and break. Pardon my handwriting. And here will be the break with the semicolon. So what if this condition is already satisfied and I don't want to execute this case 1 and the other cases that will be down here? So for that we use this break statement. So if this condition is satisfied, then yep, it will be here, break from here, and directly we'll go out of this switch statement and execute the other code here. But what if this condition is not satisfied? Then in that case it will not enter or execute this code. It will just look at this statement, this case. If it is satisfied, then only it will go inside this, or else it will directly jump to the next case. And the next thing that is important for switch statement is the default keyword. Now what is the default keyword? So default keyword will work as the else statement, and you can use the same thing here, code and the break statement. But here the break statement is not that much necessary, but I would suggest for a good code practice, you should always write the break statement. So this is the structure of the switch case. Difference between the if else and switch is that, as we saw this thing, let me keep this thing here and grab my pen back. Now the if statement here will be the case 1, if else statement would be the case 1, this is the case 0, sorry, and the default, as I said, it will be the else statement, which will be executed if none of the above condition is satisfied. Then it will directly go into the else statement and execute the code that needs to be done. So this is what about the switch statement. In next video we will have a look about, or we will do some program regarding the switch statement to get it really clear. So see you guys in the next video. Till then, take care.